All right, let's do our little symphony. Okay, we are in the key of G. So when we play on the D or the A or the E string, we're going to have a low 2, just like our G major scale. And then come the low 2s. High 2s on the G and D. The first part is very beautiful and smooth, and we have some things to worry about with our bowings, with the slurs, and then the 8th note. So we have these really long bows. So from the beginning, we have D, B, B, A. So up bow, full bow, ready, go. D, B. And this is a full bow, B, A. Then right here, G, D. These are half bows. Then full bow. Then a low 2 on the A string. Full bow, half bow, A, D. So let's do just that bit again. We're just doing half bows for those 8th notes, and that's it. Up bow, D, ready, go. Long bow. Half bows. Full bows. Low 2 on A. Still full bow. Half bows. Full bow. All right, so then moving on from 5. B, D, C, D, 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 C, lift. So B, D. We're going back and forth. I'm leaving my fingers down on my A string. There's no reason to lift this up. B, D. Low 2. Leave it down. 3rd finger. Low 2. Lift. Then A, D, B, D, C, D, A. First finger, leave it down. Use your first finger to show you where your 2nd finger belongs. Then open A. Good. Now let's do it from measure 5. Ready, go. Low 2. Leave these fingers down. Lift your bow. Just like the beginning. Ready, go. Low 2. Half bows. 1, leave it down. Low 2, leave it down. 3, leave it down. Low 2. Lift your bow. B, B, D, D. Go ahead and rewind that and play that as much as you need. All right, moving on, 17. So we're having these 8th notes. This is a C major arpeggio coming down. C, G, E, C. So which notes are those? C is 2. 3 on the D string is G. E is 1st finger, and then C. And then after that, it's the same notes, just double time. It's just quarter notes. C, C, G, G, E, E, C. Let's pluck that. 17. 2nd finger, ready, go. C. 3rd finger reaches over. G. 1st finger behind. 3rd finger over top. All the way back up to that low 2, C, C. Cool. Grab your bow. Now let's play 17. Ready, go. C. 3rd finger over top. 1st finger behind. 3rd finger over top. Low 2 on the A string. All right, now 21. Put your bow down. This is B. This is a G major arpeggio. B, G, D, B. The same notes. B, B, G, G, D, D, B. It's 2 on the G string. So let's pluck that. 21. Ready, go. B, G. Open D. 2 on G, B. 1st finger. All right, now let's play that. 21. 1, 2, ready, go. 1st finger. All right, now let's play those 2 sets from 17. C, ready, go. Lift go, B. All right, then we're on to 25. 25, we have a D major arpeggio, but we're starting with that A. A, F sharp, D, 1 on G is A, F, F, D, D, A. So let's pluck that. 25, ready, go. A, F sharp, D, A is 1, open A. All right, now let's play it for 25. 1, 2, ready, go. Open A. Good, now let's do 17 to 29. We start with a C major arpeggio, then we go to a G major arpeggio, then we do a D major arpeggio. Let's go for it. Low 2, 17, 1, 2, ready, go. Lift your bow. One again. Lift your bow, open A. Lift your bow. Then that's a G, G, G. Next line, we're going to lift. G, 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 lift, D, D, D. Then this is walking us up, G, G, A, B. Now 33 is just like 17, and so on and so forth, just even more double time. So these are quarter notes. Let's pluck through it. We'll pluck through it and then play through each of them, and then we'll play the whole section, and then we'll play the whole thing. So 33, let's pluck it. 1, 2, C, go. C, C, G, G. E, E, C is 3, low 2, C, 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 G, E. All right, let's pluck 30, or let's play 33, full bows for each of those quarter notes, and then half bows for those eighth notes. Ready, go. Lift your bow and half bows. Third finger. All right, then we're going on to 37. This is our G major arpeggio. Let's pluck it. Ready, go. B, B, 3 is G. Open D. 2 on G is B. Lift and pluck and B, 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 G. D, 2 is B. All right, let's play at 37. Ready, full bows. Lift half bows. All right, then 41. We're back to our D major arpeggio. Let's pluck it. Ready, open A, ready, go. A, F sharp. Then 1 on G is A, and pluck, and. All right, let's play from 41. Ready, hold bows. And half bows. Cool. All right, now let's start at measure 32 so that we can practice that lead in into that 33. All right, so 3 fingers on the D string is G. 1, 2, ready, go. Low 2. Lift and half bows. Full bow. Lift, B. Lift and half bows. punchy. A C. Lift. We walk down. B, B, B. A, G. No lift. Up O. Half O's. Low 2 on A. Half O's. 1. Leave it down. Low 2. Lift your bow. Open A. Lift B. Smooth bow. Half O's for these. Low 2. Full bow. Half O's. 1, leave a finger down. Lift your bow, B. Cool. Okay, so when I keep talking, I'm not trying to distract you. I'm saying all the things that I want to be happening in your head. You're supposed to be preparing yourself for what's coming next and say, oh, I got to subdivide. I have to be ready for these things. Okay, now the entire thing, no interruptions, and I'll try to keep my mouth shut about that. I'm just telling you what's going on in my head. All right, so we're starting with an up bow. Don't forget your lifts, except for that one spot we're not supposed to lift. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. course I had to mess up the second to last measure. So I feel like that's my signature. All right, good luck.